Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, I've just had a parcel delivered. Look at this. And it's got Millie Moo on it. That is brilliant. So I'm going to be cutting that off and that'll go on my notice board with all my bits and pieces. So it doesn't say who sent it on it, so we'll have to have a look. But yay, how exciting. Okay, let me get it open and we'll see what's in it. There you are, look, I've cut my little Scottie dog out, ready to keep. I'll trim the edges up properly, but that's brilliant, a little Scottie dog, yay! Even the post lady said, oh, you've got a Scottie dog. So, let's see. Oh, Millie's come for a good sniff now. I'll show you in a second, sweetheart. I'll have to get the chair back in the craft room again so that Millie can come and sit next to me while I'm opening things. She does like to have a look. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, this looks good. Oh, look, we have a Scottie, another Scottie. Wow, 2 Scottie dogs. That's brilliant. And oh, look at this. Oh my goodness me, that is absolutely gorgeous. And oh, look. Oh, it just looks like Millie. We've got a key ring. Oh, that will definitely... Oh, she's crying now. She wants to come up and have a look. Come on then, just a second, sweetheart. Are you having a look through the box to make sure I haven't missed anything? So look, we've got you on a sticker. It's you. It is, it's you. She's now more interested in these packages. She likes opening packages. Oh. And then look, it's you again. Millie, look at this sticker. It's you. A little drawing of you. Okay. And then what do you think to this? Oh, you're getting in the box. What do you think to this? It's you with a little white friend. It is. Oh, she's having a real good sniff here. Oh, wow. Okay. Do you like this box? We've got a little letter as well. So these have come to me from the lovely Kay. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. This is lovely. So Kay has said to me, I hope you had a lovely Christmas and a good start to the new year. I was hoping to get these bits for you for Christmas. Best laid plans. Oh, I know all about those. Don't worry. I'm in the camp with you. But to me, getting this after Christmas makes it just last that little bit longer. So we've got an extra special surprise. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Oh, well, they can be Happy New Year gifts instead. I saw the tin and thought of you. I know you've previously had a Westie with a Scottie on the tin and it was made for you. Oh, yes, look at that. That is just so gorgeous. I love it. Oh, it's got shortbread biscuits in as well, which is one of my favourites. And Kay's also said it might work for your Diamond Painting Deutschland Advent Saving Tin. Oh, that is a good idea. So, yeah, I can use it. It is a money box, look. It has got the little slot to put money through. You can't quite see it on camera, but that is a slot there. So I can save my little pennies up. Ready for my Diamond Painting Deutschland. Oh, and then the keyring and sticker had your name on them. Well, love to you, Paul and Millie from Kay. Thank you so much, Kay. It's lovely of you to think of us. And yeah, this is just gorgeous. Look, it's even got a little robin posting a letter. Oh, that's great. What a wonderful tin. And it's a pillar box. Oh, look, and we've got biscuits inside. So they won't last very long. We don't really do biscuit tins in this house. We have a lot of biscuit tins, but they don't have biscuits in them because biscuits don't just last long enough in this house to stay in a tin. Yeah, once you've opened your packet, you've got to finish them. Maybe just me then. But that is wonderful. Look at the little Millie Moo on it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Thank you so much for thinking of us, and I love this. It really does look like Millie. It's yeah, it's even got like the highlighting and the little grey bits and the little smile on the face as well. Oh, it's a birthday tomorrow. I might make her wear this. And then that's brilliant. You're well done for drawing a Scottie, because they're not easy to draw, but that's excellent. I love it. And my sticker. So that's another one to add. Shall I put it on my desk? Or no, I think I want to see it a bit more, because I don't get into my craft room quite so much anymore, only while I'm filming. So I'll think of somewhere to put that one and we'll get it put up. But yes, very stylised look with a lovely long beard and long flowing skirt. Gorgeous. I can't think why she sent me Scottie dogs. Okay, that is just so lovely of you. Thank you so much for thinking of us. And yeah, it is really, really appreciated. And you've made my day, so thank you. Okay, so well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me and Millie, and thank you, Kay, then a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. And don't forget to press that subscribe button and come and join our little family and see what we get up to next. It does tend to feature quite a few Scottie dogs. Well, maybe just the one that's called Millie Moo, but we do have others dotted around as well. Okay, thank you ever so much, Kay. Thanks to everybody for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now. So Millie just wanted to look out the window. You're just having a look. Say thank you, Kay. Are you going to say a huge thank you, or are you just looking? You're going to say help? Are you going to help Mummy say thank you very much for my presents? No, yes. Thank you very much, Kay, for our lovely presents. We're having a good sniff at this shortbread. We quite like the shortbread. Oh, yes. Thank you.